Hey guys, it's Dr. Nero here. I'm the Medical Director of Ignite Medispa. I spent a year in maxillofacial surgery in one of London's top teaching hospitals. Now during that time it was very obvious to me that when we work on the face, good teeth are very important. Having a good set of pearly whites, it's almost the first thing that everyone picks up. So everything works hand in hand, and I thought we must offer a comprehensive range of dental services. We offer everything from your standard maintenance interventions, so your scale and polish, to all things cosmetic, so teeth whitening, Invisalign to improve the alignment of the teeth, veneers, and prior to all of this sort of thing, one has to undertake comprehensive analyses of both the teeth, the gums, and the bone, so the mandible and the maxilla. So we've got the latest equipment from probably the best manufacturer in the world, and that can undertake a very comprehensive analysis of one's oral health and hygiene. So we look forward to seeing you here and giving you a wonderful smile. Thank you.